There are mixed reactions to the death of the controversial pastor Kevin Smith. Our news team has been speaking with current and former members of the church, as well as residents of Albion St. James, where the church is located. Anthony Lugg has that report.
Disbelief and confusion among members of the Pathways International Kingdom Restoration Ministries on Monday when news broke that Dr. Kevin Smith was dead. One member fought the tears as she spoke with our news team.
I don't really know what to say, but it is shocking to know that he died just now in a manner like that.
Shocking for her, but for residents in Albion where the church is located.
To be honest, I don't feel any way that he died.
Bye to pastor, if he dead for true.
Dr. Smith was questioned on the weekend by detectives attached to the Major Investigation Division in relation to the alleged ritual killings of 2 congregants inside his church. We visited the church on Monday afternoon, and this is what it looked like. The series of events which unfolded on the property over a week ago sparked outrage across the country, and like many Jamaicans, some church members were seeking answers.
A crime is committed on the property.
Right.
And everybody have to give an account for something. And if he was held reliable for what done, well, he do his time and service time, but we just did want some answers.
Former church members like this woman, whom we'll call Sandra to conceal her identity, was hoping Dr. Smith would be charged and brought before the courts.
A lot of his members now are still under this belief that he is in fact a spiritual leader and somebody working for God. So I was just looking forward to that, so there wouldn't be any discrepancies in who he was as a person. Everybody would know that, okay, this man is really a fraud.
Amidst all the confusion surrounding Dr. Smith's death are questions about the mode of transportation for inmates in high-profile cases.
They should have probably, airlift him to Kingston, do something, instead of taking him in this way.
Maybe they could bring him up in the army truck. Even if there is trying something, nothing could not happen, because if he was in the army truck, even if something leaked, we still could run an investigation on what's going on.
However, there are many questions that remain unanswered.
I have not more fear about. I must still laugh to deal with the rest of man them who up there with him, they kill people.
Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.